Hey everybody, how are you? Got a lot of things going on in my head. It's amazing how fast 4th of July is coming. It's actually Wednesday, and I have a bunch of 4th of July things in my head that I want to do for my barbecue. So this is going to be a print and cut version on Cricut. So I just printed this out, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Alright, so this is what I designed in Cricut. Well, it's actually almost like a Cricut project, but I am making it my own. So, I'm going to make sparkler cases for 4th of July. I feel like I'm running so far behind. It's like, I don't get in the spirit or the mode until it's like right around the corner. Same thing with Halloween. Sometimes I confess, I can be a last minute Nelly. Sometimes I work better under pressure. Under pressure. Dun, 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 dun. Queen. And David Bowie. So, I do. I feel like I sometimes work better under pressure. So, this is what, I keep saying so. So. I am trying to work as quickly as possible. Okay, so Cricut time is done. This is what I am envisioning. These are a little less than 1.5, so I'm going to make my paper 1.5. I'm going to make a 1.5 inch strip. And I want to open up the sparklers. Oh wow, there's more than I thought in here. How many are in here? Oh, okay. 3, 4, 5. Alright, there's 5. And they seem to be kind of tiny. Alright, so a 12 by is going to work for me. But what I wanted to do is this. This goes here like that. That goes like that. This is going to go in the front. Isn't that cute? So, right about here is where I want my score mark. So let's bring in the smaller scoreboard and see where we're at. Okay, we're going to score at the 4. Score at the 4. And what I want to do is I want to fold it over so that, follow me on this, it's a vision coming out of my head. I looked at their item, their image, and I'm like, alright, I'm going to do this, but I want to do it my way. So, could do it on here. Bear with me, bear with me. Bear with me. There. There. And there. Right about there. Let's see where that is. Now this is all based on what size sparkly you have. because some sparklers are longer than the others. Alright, so this is what I did. This is a 12-inch piece of paper. I scored it at 4. Scored it at the 4 mark. And then scored it at 4. And at the 7 1/4 and 7 3/4 mark, you know me, I like to write things down. 7 1/4, score at 4, and then at 7 1/4 and 7 3/4, we're going to put a little slit in it. That's what we're going to do. Because this is what I'm thinking. This is going to go like that. Oh, you know what? Three slashes. That's what we're going to do. We're going to do 3. So let's do 7. Can't find my... Let's do 7, 7 1/4, and 7 3/4. So we could go in, out, in, out. Because I want this metal piece to be behind, because that's why I made that right there, to hold it. Yep. And then I'm just going to take my tape runner, I'm going to go like that, and I'm going to go up the sides just a little. Ta-da! And I think I'm going to add 2 in each. How cute is this? To corner chomp or not corner chomp? That is the question. Let's see. Corner chomp. Corner. Oh, I am loving this. And guess what? Dimensional. Dimensional. Break them out. And I think that I only need halves. Halves, halves, halves. Right there on the corner. Right there. Can you all see how cute that is? And then that right there. Oh, look at that. Look at how cute that is. Sparkler cases. Loving it. Now let's do one more in red. Only because we can. So we're cutting this at 1 1/2. And we said that we would score on the 4, and then with our knife we said 7, 7 1/4. You know what I'm going to do? 7, 7 1/4, and 7 3/4. We're going to stick with that. And I'm scoring first so that I can actually see where I want to make my slits. And that is a heck of a lot easier. Now don't go all the way to the top and the bottom. Just, can you see that? Just slit a little portion. Oh, this is adorable. Okay, so I'm going to give you all just a quick little weather update. We hit like 96 yesterday. I was so happy. Oh my gosh, I was so happy. My husband wasn't. He's like, oh my God, it's too hot. I'm like, no complaining. Oh, loving this. You guys are gonna get so tired of my 4th of July crafts. You're gonna be like, oh my gosh, Donna, do something else. I think I have 5 in my head. I think I have 5. Ooh. But I'm gonna make these now that we're done with the red. I'm gonna make the rest and I'll come back and show you how beautiful they all look together. Look, isn't that sweet? Look at how stinking cute these are. All right, I'll be back. Well, there they are. They're all done. Look at how stinking cute they are. I don't know if I showed you this before, but look at that saying. Light up the night. Let freedom ring. Let freedom ring. Aren't these adorable? All right, this is just one of many. So I'm gonna bombard you with videos, guys. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that thumbs up button. This way you get notifications. I do try to upload very often. So, look at how cute this is. I hope you could see it. Can you see it? Yay! All right, everybody. I will see you real soon. Bye.